Bird. Oh, Zeke. You don't want me to take your video, huh? You were being so cute. My two buddies getting wet. There's Zeke Bird. That's what I wanted in a video. Jasper usually doesn't want to get that wet. He goes up on the fan. What pretty wings you have, Zeke. Are you done? Are you done getting wet? You still like it up there though, right? He's a good boy. And then Jasper, what he likes is riding on the fan. Right, little buddy? I'll get him a little wet. Jasper. Zeke. Your wings are so pretty. What a handsome bird. Yes, Jasper's a handsome bird too. And he likes to ride the fan. Keat, are you a good boy? Jasper. Zeke. Zeke is getting wet again. Want to get wet again, Jasper? Jasper usually doesn't like to get wet. Maybe that's a new thing. He'll usually hide when I spray him. He is a good boy, that's right. Good boy. What you doing there, Jasper? No, he wants to bathe too, just because Zeke was doing it. Funny little Jasper. What, you want spritz too? See, it's nice and sunny in here, so they get to dry off in their little tree or on the ironing board. Two good birds. What are you doing up there, Zeke? Zeke is all wet. What you doing, Zeke? That's his favorite branch, the real thin one. He likes to bounce on it a little bit. Hey, buddy. What a good bird. Two good birds. Jasper's taking a really good bath. I'm glad. You didn't like taking a bath for a long time. Here we can see Zeke. He's duly wet. Right, buddy? He's a wet boy. I want to get more spritz, huh? Oh, look at him. He loves that. Just about used the whole bottle. Oh, he spreads his tail. What a bird. Little bird. 2 birdies. Jasper, you done? Are you done? You want a little more spritz? Oh, there he goes. Zeke bird. Little Zeke. Zeke never has enough. Right, buddy? Never has enough. Oh, the bathtub's free, so now he's going to go in it. Good bird. Look at that bird. Wet little Zeke. Jasper, what you doing? I hear you. I think Jasper's in his hiding place. Let's see. Are you in your hiding place down here? Yes, he is. Under the trike. Hi, Jasper. You nice and wet? Zeke bird. Nice and wet. I get his back and he gets everything else. What a funny bird. I think they're funny. Okay, buddy? Want to say goodbye to your fans? Nice and wet, little man. Saying goodbye. He's still getting wet. Little buddy. Okay, buddy, say goodbye. There's the yellow on his wings. There he goes. Little buddy. Jasper's on the floor. Okay, buddy, say goodbye to your fans. Here we go.